Meme stocks are back. Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Adam, and you're watching Unlimited Options Investing. Wall Street Bets is popping off because names like GameStop, AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond, and Blackberry have gotten momentum. We're going to be taking a look at the technical analysis and key levels. Let's get started. Alright, so starting off with the biggest one of all of them, we have GameStop, and this one actually just split back on July 22nd, a 4-to-1 split, so this used to be 4 times as expensive, but now there are 4 times the shares, and it's 1/4 of the price. So we have a ramp up since, let's say, 26th of July on this 50 exponential moving average, which is this green line. It ramped up, and then we had a gap up yesterday on Monday. We reached up to about $47, just below $48, which was previous resistance back in March into April of this year. We got rejected and then ended up finishing at about $43 a share. We do have a little bit of increased volume down over here, but again, a pretty large rejection, a pretty large wick on the top of this candle. We are still, however, trading above the 200 simple moving day average, and we see that we broke that pretty decisively at the beginning of December. We were above that 200 simple moving day average for a little bit, but then we got sold off like the rest of the market and got faked out. Like the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, they all fell tremendously after the end of March, beginning of April. And taking a look at AMC, and this one actually had just ramped up. This one had earnings back on August 4th, and it actually surprised toward the upside. We had a nice ramp up, and then yesterday on Monday, gapping up. A similar rejection style candle reaching up to about 27.30, near an area that we had reached before, and a pretty clear consolidation area back in December of last year. We take a look at Blackberry, and all these charts are looking pretty similar in the sense that yesterday being a gap up, a rejection, and then coming back to earth a little bit. Blackberry looking pretty choppy. However, there is a pretty decent uptrend that we've been in since the middle of June, where a lot of the market had bottomed. A lot of consolidation around $6 a share. This uptrend, but again, very shaky, very volatile, not really telling us very much. I think Blackberry was just kind of an afterthought to the rest of the big names. The next biggest one would be BBBY, which would be Bed Bath & Beyond. And again, very similar style candle, and we see that we rejected just below that 200 simple moving day average. But similar idea, big green candle on Friday, gapping up on Monday, and then rejection, big wick toward the top of the candle on increased volume. So a lot of sellers pushing this price back down. And when we zoom out, we see that the top of this rejection actually aligns pretty nicely with this area of consolidation at the beginning of May, as well as support back in February and of January of this year. So these levels all kind of make sense at the end of the day. They're all key levels that are getting rejected or supported. Bed Bath & Beyond is definitely the one that has the most momentum, as it's been going exponential. I think GameStop was the first one where it had its time to shine, and then AMC back in June of 2021. And then now Bed Bath & Beyond, and look at this crazy weekly option. This guy had Bed Bath & Beyond at an $8 strike price, expiring this upcoming Friday. Put $9,500 and made a 2,836% gain, with current profits at $269.5 thousand. Now it all comes down to, are these stocks going to continue rising, or are they going to peak with this rejection candle? If we could use recent history as an example, going back to June of 2021 during this crazy ramp up, which looks absolutely nuts on these charts. Specifically this red candle over here, it looked like this was going to be the end of it at $36. The rejection candle was in, but the next day we got this indecision green candle, and then spiked up toward that all-time high on June 2nd, 2021. So if we zoom back to where we are today, fast forward, we get a red candlestick similar to over here back at the end of March. We had an indecision candle, and then followed by further selling. If we get 1 or 2 more red candles, that could further validate and kind of confirm this rejection candle. And this isn't just with AMC, it could be with GameStop, same idea, or even Bed Bath & Beyond and Blackberry. They all have kind of been moving up together in the same patterns recently, so if one's going up, most likely all of them are going up. So that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. As always, let me know your comments below. Are you in any of these meme trades, any of these momentum stocks? Let me know in the comments below. As always, subscribe, like, and check out my description below for links to my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Twitter, and I will see you guys in my next video.